Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a single crochet stitch. So with single crochet, you don't yarn over. We're going to just go into the chains. Make your chain. If you don't know how to make a chain, I have a previous video. I'm going to link that, so watch that, and it'll show you how I made this chain. So we're going to be going through the stitches underneath. So it's like two at the top, one down. So in order to start, we're going to skip this one and I'm going to go under two, yarn over, pull through. Okay, we're going to go into the next one, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Into the next stitch, yarn over, make sure it's proportional, pull through. Into the last stitch, pull through, yarn over, and pull through, and this is a single stitch. So after you're done, this is a single crochet stitch. So if you wanted to continue with your work and crochet up, what you want to do is, I did change my pin because I wanted it smaller. So you're going to turn the project around, okay? And since it's a single crochet, you don't have to chain anything. You can just go through the spot or the hole that is there, pull through, yarn over, pull through, go through the next spot, pull through, yarn over, pull through, go into the next spot, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, go into the next spot, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Next spot, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Next spot, yarn over, pull through. Okay, so you always want to count what you have underneath, and then when you're done, you want to count to make sure it's the same. So we're going to count this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we want to make sure we have 10 at the top when we're done. So insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to go through, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and there you have it. So if you wanted to continue again, you turn, insert, pull through, insert, yarn over, pull through, insert, pick, yarn over, pull through.